Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change Your Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be doing a plan with me in my Happy Planner Mini. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please just continue to watch. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I tell you all the time, I appreciate each and every one of you. And I am so excited to delve into today's video. We are going to be doing a plan with me in my Happy Planner Mini, which is this beauty right here. She's rose gold with rose gold disc. I did a setup video. It should be the last video. So if you didn't watch it, go back and check it out so you can see how we put her together. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull out the days. Now, as you can see, I've already cheated, right? I told you guys that I was not a fan of my new 2025 Happy Planner dashboard that I purchased. There really wasn't too many options, but I did find a dashboard in the mini, but it has this hideous black strip going down the center. So it seems that for every single plan with me that I do, unless I need black, I'm going to be covering it up. So I went ahead and did that off camera. Can I get it out? So that I didn't spend a lot of time covering it up in the video. What I did was I just took my washi and just put it right down on the center. And I went ahead and hole punched it with my Happy Planner hole puncher. I actually don't hate the fact that you can still see the black through it because I feel like it goes perfectly with this week's vibe. So I already got that together. We are going to be using a doll from Coco's Vision. I mentioned to you guys that if you're interested in purchasing from Coco Vision, if you use the code Angie, you will save 15% off your order. I think her dolls are top tier and they're so cute. So I definitely wanted to use one for this plan. I will be making this plan a Valentine's plan. So between this week and next week, I want to take full advantage of it. So I'll have some Valentine spreads. I have a special surprise for you guys next week. I'm so excited for it. It's going to be such a fun video. So I hope you will stick around and come and see what's happening over here on my channel. Yes, I'm smiling. Y'all can hear it in my voice. It's going to be fun. So let me stop rambling and let me just show you the doll up close. When I saw it on the website, I was like, oh, this is Valentine's. I ordered this last year and I knew that I would be using it for Valentine's Day. OMG, look at her outfit with the plaid and the thigh boots. I don't even want to say knee boots because those are thigh boots and the red beret. And I just felt like this was perfect for Valentine's Day. So we'll be using the missing doll, of course. And we'll be using the colorful boxes from the Happy Planner. If you're not familiar with this sticker book, it is literally boxes of every single color. You got silver, gold, black, pink, purple, red, green, blue, you name it. It's in this book. And then last but not least, I will be using the Seasonal Teacher by Kellofaplan. I'm giggling because I am not a teacher. I'm not a teacher, but let me tell you something about me. If a book is on sale and I can use it, I'm buying it. So yes, this is made just for a teacher, but we're going to use it. I got this book for like $10. It's super cute. I don't have to use every single thing that's in it, but we're going to be using them today. So I'm definitely getting my money's worth for the plans that we will be using today. I went ahead in advance, to also, acknowledge that you guys don't have, have 45 minutes to an hour to watch a plan with me. So I'm trying to make sure I do this off camera. I also do my layout kind of off camera to save some time. Now, over here in this little nasty corner, there's some whiteout. The reason that there's whiteout in that section is because here it is. There's a flower. Can y'all see that? And it's on every single page and it's driving me nuts. So I am going to white it out and put a sticker over top. So let's get started. Sorry for that long intro, but let's go. All right. This week is going to be for February 3rd through the 9th. So let's go ahead and start to get it together. Now, y'all know, I tell you all the time, I am a wax girl. I love putting my plans on wax. I'm a very indecisive person. So the wax works best for me. If you are new to planning, wax may be the best thing for you too. Now, I see a lot of people, I'm in Facebook groups who say, you know, they ask questions like, how could I, just dropped that sticker on my pants. How could I learn how to plan without being scared, right? I'm too afraid to commit. I'm trying to say how long this is. I'm too afraid to commit to a plan because I'm scared that I'm going to waste my doll. And I think, and of course I did put in the group, that the recommendation would be trying wax paper. If you're afraid, or if you think that you're going to ruin your planner, don't be afraid, right? It's your planner. Do what you want. Let's see, what do I want to put? I think I like this. Do exactly what you want to do in your planner. It is totally cool to make mistakes. We all make mistakes. I feel like I've been planning for quite some time and I'm still using wax paper. I actually really like it. And I don't even know that I do the wax paper anymore because I'm scared to make a mistake. I just really like it. I like seeing how it comes together. I like knowing that I'm not wasting a sticker. I like knowing that I can move stuff, take it apart before I actually commit to it. And I just think it's so cool. I'm so glad that I stumbled across that at some point. So get yourself some wax paper. You can probably get it from the Dollar Tree, especially if this is, you know, something that you're just only going to be using for planning, and go from there. All right. Now the doll has some black in it. So I want to make sure I'm using a black box. I want to kind of tie it in all together. I know sometimes when I slide it towards me, I am out of frame. Your girl wears contacts and glasses because I cannot see. So sometimes these little boxes, especially in a mini, is so small. So I apologize. I know I apologize every video, and at some point I'll just stop apologizing. But if I ever go out of focus, I will bring it right on back. All right, so I have a red box, a black box, a red box, and a pink one. And then I just want to decorate this page a little more. In that book, these like little, I don't even know what these are. They almost look like petty fours, to be honest. But, or they could be cookies. I don't really know, but it says be my Valentine. And I thought that was just the cutest thing. So we're going to go ahead and put that right there. I know a mini can be really challenging because it is so small, but you got to make it work. Sometimes I feel like my spreads are very, very simple. Sometimes I feel like my spreads are overcrowded with stickers, and that's okay too. So here I have a little bow, and I think I want to do it this way to kind of tie in everything that I have. I also have a little box of chocolates, which is just so cute. So we're kind of going to put that there. And I had a struggle getting that sticker up, so I kind of pulled up the corner a little bit. And then last but not least, I have this super cute candle. You might not be able to see it, but it's better to see it once I put it down. And I feel like a little candle would be really cute right there. So there we have it. Everything was on wax. That was super quick. Like this video right now, we're only a couple minutes in and we've already got the left side done. Now, this is gonna drive me nuts, this little space right here. I might end up finding something to close that gap. Let's see real quick. Oh, there's another little, I don't know if this is like a cupcake or a wafer or what, but let me just grab this out of this book. Now, I can say I am a Kellofaplan fan. That's a tongue twister. But for some reason, these stickers, they're great. Like, I'm not complaining, but like your girl has been struggling to get these stickers out of this book. How about we do something like that? Just to kind of close that gap a little bit. So yeah, so this page is done. I have tons of space. I know it doesn't seem like it because it is small, but I still can utilize this part of the checklist. I also have this box here. I can write in this box. I normally use bullets, but sometimes I just literally draw, you know, a dot with my pen. And I also have a box here. So let's go ahead and flip on over to the right side of our planner. Let's put this page to the side. And let's get started on the right side. So let's get this box out the way. And we're gonna put some flowers in this corner. Just trying to get it perfect. All right. I have a black box that I want to use right here. I know I'm going to cover up a little bit of the day, but that's totally okay. I mean, looking at it, you know that it's Thursday. I want to put another box on Wednesday, sticking with the same color scheme. Let's do a pink box on Wednesday. Let me slide it up just a little bit so I can see. Cover it. Let's slide it up on this line. So there's my Wednesday. That book had some really cute little cherries, which I thought would be really cute to just throw in that box. And I'm sorry to keep crunching my wax paper, y'all. This little cluster of balloons is so cute. And I feel like this week I won't be using this box. This is my mini, which is my catch-all. So I don't need to really put anything there. So we're going to throw, actually, hang on one second. I have this kind of string of hearts. And I want to put that down first. I feel like that'd be so cute right there. So I'm actually going to turn it upside down so I can line it up properly. Let's see. Stop it. Right there. And then I want to go ahead and put the balloons in that box. Let's see. I want to kind of put them. There we go. That is so cute. Last but not least, we are going to add our doll. This doll is Paris. If you're on the website, which is cocosvision.com, the doll is called Paris. And I want to throw Miss Paris right here on this side. So I'm trying to put it together so y'all get the big picture. And then we're going to throw our doll right here. Let's make sure her feet are on the page. Uh-oh, she's about to wrinkle. Hold on, it's my fault. I love it. I love it. She is so cute. She is so cute. All right, let's pop her in and we're done. We don't have to take, 100 years to get her together. But like, you can make something so simple and so cute. And that really took no time at all. Let's pop her in. Oh, I love it. My little flowers are trying to run away from me. What do y'all think? That is just so stinking cute. And then as I'm looking off to the other side of my screen, I just realized that I have the cutest little clip. Y'all know I say it all the time. Your girl is a bookmark queen. So this week we're going to be putting this bookmark right there so that when I open and close my planner, I know exactly where we are today. And that is just so cute. What do y'all think? Have you guys already done your spread for the week? If so, do you post it? Feel free to send it to me so I can take a look at it. Of course, I want to thank you all for being here with me and spending some time today. As I told you, I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget, come on over to Instagram. Come follow me, hit that button, and let's be friends. My name on Instagram is Change Your Plans with Angie. If you want to DM me or tag me in your post, if you are someone that has Instagram and you post your spreads, I would definitely love to see it. But definitely come on over, take a look. Last week's spread, I did post on, although I did not do a plan with me, I posted it on my Instagram. So there are going to be things over there. If I can find it. This was last week's that I put over there on my Instagram that will not be a video per se. But yes, as you can tell, don't judge me. She is not filled out. I have everything written down because I was using a different planner. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in. But yeah, this was last week's spread. This is this week's spread. So I'm just really excited to get everything together. And this is really going to have me writing in my planner when it's just super cute. So of course, over here, don't forget to like, comment, share it with someone, and subscribe. And let's be friends over here as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.